This is Bird on a Wire. We've got 3 restaurants in Auckland and we've just opened number 4 and 2 more on the cards for this year, so we'll be up to 6 restaurants by the end of 2019. Our hero product is rotisserie free-range chicken. We sell that pretty much in any way that you can imagine it, and we're always coming up with new ways. We love the fact that it's a homegrown brand, that it's healthy and it's chicken, so it's wholesome, authentic food. When we bought the business, Uber Eats had already been turned on. We decided to stay with Uber Eats, so it was incremental sales for no additional cost to the business. The other part to it is the marketing piece. Having our brand exposure on a platform like Uber Eats is invaluable. 25 to 30% of our sales are coming through Uber Eats, which is incredibly high. Nights like Friday nights, Saturday nights, you probably need to have somebody dedicated to coordinating the orders because they're flying out the door, excuse the pun. Delivery has definitely changed the business. It's changed the way that our customers dine. The world's your oyster, you can have whatever you want for dinner. We need to emulate that as much as possible just through our food and the experience that they get through Uber Eats. I would recommend it for other restaurant owners. If you've got the right team and the right menu, then it's low risk. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.